In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact-based active list in your standard navigation layout console. To get started, head over to the Contacts section in your standard navigation layout console, and then open Lists. This is where you can organize groups of contacts based on specific conditions and behaviors. If you're using active lists, the main advantage is that they update automatically, which means you won't need to manually add or remove records later as contact data changes over time. Once you're inside the lists area, look toward the right side of the screen for the orange Create List option and click it. This opens the setup process for a new list. Take a moment here to make sure you're creating the correct type of list because this choice affects how the system will manage the records going forward. Next, choose the contact-based active list option from the available configuration choices. A contact-based list means the records in the list will be individual contacts, and the active list setting means membership is dynamic. In other words, contacts will automatically enter or leave the list depending on whether they match the rules you define. This is especially useful if you want your list to stay current without needing ongoing manual updates. After that, add your dynamic filter criteria. This is where you tell the system exactly which contacts should be included. For example, you might use a condition like contacts updated within the last 30 days. Filters can be used to narrow your audience based on recent activity or other contact properties, so it's worth being precise here. The better your criteria, the more useful and accurate your list will be. As you build the filter, think about the purpose of the list. If the goal is follow-up, reporting, or segmentation, your criteria should reflect that clearly. Active lists are most effective when the rules are simple enough to manage, but specific enough to return the right group of contacts. When your filters are in place, save the list. At that point, the system will begin automatically managing the member records for you based on live data changes. That means if a contact meets the criteria later, they'll be added automatically, and if they no longer qualify, they'll be removed just as easily, and that's it. You've successfully created a contact-based active list that stays updated in real time, helping you keep your contact management organized and efficient.